Micellar water has revolutionized skincare routines, offering a simple yet effective way to cleanse, remove makeup, and refresh the skin. Whether you have sensitive, oily, or combination skin, the right micellar water can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best micellar waters, each tailored to meet different needs. From cult classics to dermatologist-approved picks, we'll help you find the perfect one to simplify and elevate your skincare routine. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Bioderma Sensibio H2O. The Bioderma Sensibio H2O is a pioneer in the world of micellar water and a favorite among dermatologists and beauty enthusiasts. Known for its gentle yet effective cleansing, it's specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Key features: this micellar water is infused with highly purified water and fatty acid esters that mimic the skin's natural structure. It's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and hypoallergenic, ensuring a soothing experience for even the most reactive skin types. Benefits and usage: Bioderma Sensibio H2O effortlessly removes makeup, dirt, and impurities without the need for harsh scrubbing. Simply soak a cotton pad, swipe it over your face, and watch the residue melt away. It also balances the skin's pH and maintains its natural barrier. Usability: ideal for daily use, this product works well for all skin types, but shines with sensitive and redness-prone skin. It doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it perfect as a standalone cleanser or pre-cleanse step. Durability: the generous 500 ml bottle lasts for months, even with regular use. Its high-quality formula maintains its effectiveness, offering consistent results with every use. In the second spot, we have Garnier SkinActive Micellar Water. The Garnier SkinActive Micellar Water is a versatile and budget-friendly option that delivers excellent results. Its multi-purpose formula cleanses, removes makeup, and refreshes the skin in one simple step. Key features: this micellar water features micelles that attract dirt and oil like a magnet, leaving the skin clean and hydrated. It's available in different variants tailored for specific skin types, including sensitive, oily, and combination skin. Benefits and usage: it removes waterproof makeup, grime, and impurities without stripping the skin of moisture. Use it with a cotton pad to cleanse your face, eyes, and lips in a single swipe, no rinsing required. Usability: suitable for all skin types, this product is gentle enough for daily use. Its lightweight texture leaves the skin feeling refreshed and clean without any greasy residue. Durability: Garnier offers a range of sizes, from travel-friendly bottles to large 700 ml options, ensuring you get great value for your money. The formula remains effective and reliable with every use. Coming in at number 3 is the La Roche-Posay Micellar Water. The La Roche-Posay Micellar Water combines the brand's dermatological expertise with gentle cleansing power, making it a top choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Key features: this product is enriched with thermal spring water, known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It's free from alcohol, soap, and parabens, ensuring a mild yet effective cleanse that respects the skin's balance. Benefits and usage: the micellar water removes makeup, excess oil, and impurities while leaving the skin hydrated and soothed. Apply it with a cotton pad to gently cleanse your face, eyes, and lips, making it ideal for even the most delicate areas. Usability: designed for sensitive skin, this micellar water is non-comedogenic and doesn't clog pores. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it an excellent choice for daily cleansing. Durability: the product comes in a sturdy 400 ml bottle that lasts for weeks. Its high-quality formula ensures consistent results, even with regular use, making it a reliable addition to your skincare routine. Taking our 4th spot is Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Water. The Simple Kind to Skin Micellar Water is a gentle, no-frills option that delivers everything you need for clean, refreshed skin. It's a fantastic pick for anyone seeking an affordable, effective, and fuss-free product. Key features: this micellar water is enriched with vitamins B3 and C, along with triple purified water to hydrate and cleanse the skin. It's free from artificial perfumes, dyes, and harsh chemicals, making it a top choice for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: it effectively removes makeup, dirt, and impurities without leaving the skin feeling dry or tight. Apply it to a cotton pad and gently cleanse your face and neck for an instant refresh. Usability: its hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic formula makes it suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive and combination skin. It's perfect for daily use, whether as a morning refresher or an evening cleanser. Durability: the 200 ml bottle is compact and travel-friendly, offering great value for its price. The formula retains its effectiveness over time, ensuring consistent performance with each use. And finally, at number 5, we have CeraVe Hydrating Micellar Water. The CeraVe Hydrating Micellar Water is a dermatologist-recommended option that combines effective cleansing with skin-nourishing ingredients. It's ideal for dry and sensitive skin types. Key features: this product features 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, which work together to cleanse, hydrate, and restore the skin barrier. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and suitable for use around the eyes. Benefits and usage: the micellar water gently removes dirt, oil, and makeup while replenishing the skin's hydration levels. Use it with a cotton pad to cleanse and refresh your skin without rinsing. Usability: its gentle and nourishing formula makes it perfect for dry and sensitive skin. It can be used daily without causing irritation or disrupting the skin's natural moisture balance. Durability: the 355 ml bottle provides ample product for weeks of use. Its high-quality formula delivers reliable results, making it a staple for anyone looking to maintain a healthy skincare routine. Micellar water is a true skincare hero, offering a simple yet effective solution for cleansing and refreshing your skin. From the classic Bioderma Sensibio H2O to the hydrating CeraVe Micellar Water, each product on this list has its unique strengths. Choose the one that best suits your skin type and needs, and experience the magic of micellar water for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. Which micellar water are you excited to try? Let us know below.